Activity 15, absorbing tail. Your digestive system is responsible for both mechanical and chemical breakdown. Everything you eat and drink, including medicine, enters your body through this system. You can probably name a lot of the organs that food passes through, such as the esophagus, stomach, and small and large intestines. There are other organs, however, like the liver and pancreas, which help your digestive system work even though food does not pass through them. What happens as food and other substances travel through your body? So, how does your digestive system work? That's the key question. So, food breakdown. Take a moment to look at the diagram of the digestive system below. So, here is your digestive system. You have your salivary glands here inside your mouth. You got your esophagus, leads to the stomach. You've got your pancreas here, your liver right here. You've got bile ducts inside your liver. You've got your gallbladder. And then you've got your small intestines and large intestines. And then your rectum and your anus is also part of your digestive system. You can think of your digestive system as a long tube that goes through your body. Food is absorbed along this tube. If your body didn't absorb what it needed from the food you eat, everything you swallow would come out the other end. You know that doesn't happen, but do you know why? What are the functions of each part of your digestive system? The digestive system breaks down food into forms that the body can absorb. This breakdown occurs two ways, mechanically and chemically, and it begins in your mouth. Your teeth begin the process of mechanical breakdown. Chemicals in your saliva begin the process of chemical breakdown. As you swallow, food travels down your esophagus, which is a tube surrounded by muscle. This muscle contracts to help food reach your stomach, a large bag like organ. Muscles in your stomach will help to mix the stomach contents. This continues the process of mechanical breakdown. In your stomach, hydrochloric acid, one of the acids used in science laboratories and industries, we've used it in glass, and other chemicals continue the chemical breakdown of food. The hydrochloric acid in your stomach is so powerful that your stomach is lined with mucus to protect itself. When this lining is absent, ulcers, which are sores in the lining of the stomach, can form. A high level of hydrochloric acid causes the burning sensation you feel when you vomit or have indigestion. All right, stop and think. Question number one, and you have to do these in your notebook. How does your mouth contribute to the process of digestion? 1B. Explain how your stomach helps break down food. So the answer is going to be in this first part of the reading I did here. Okay, so it's going to be somewhere in here. So I'm going to pause here just for a second. You need to pause it, do these two questions, and then after you're done, you need to click unpause and go to the rest of the reading. Okay, let's continue. By the time food reaches your small intestines, you wouldn't recognize it anymore. It's a thick, pasty mixture. Your small intestine then completes the process of chemical breakdown with help from your pancreas and liver. As food comes into your small intestines from your stomach, it contains high levels of acid. Your pancreas produces a chemical that reduces its acid level. It also produces chemicals that help break down the proteins and fat found in food. Your liver produces bile, an important mixture that helps break down fat. All these chemicals combine with the partly broken down food as it travels down your small intestines. Absorption of nutrients. Another important process happens in your small intestines, where most of the substances produced by the breakdown of food are absorbed into your blood. After food is completely broken down, we call the pieces nutrients. In this process of absorption, nutrients leave your digestive system and move into your blood, which carries nutrients to the rest of your body. Nutrients are required by all parts of the body, not just the stomach. The blood acts as a transport vehicle after the stomach has digested food, producing nutrients for all parts of your body. A doctor who specializes in stomach and intestinal problems is called a gastroenterologist. Stop to think questions number 2. Do these in your notebook. Explain the relationship between food and nutrients, and what role or roles does your small intestines play in digestion. Pause the reading now and do the questions. All right, let's continue. The fact that most of the final breakdown and nutrient absorption occurs in your small intestines may help explain its length. The average adult small intestines is 5 to 6 meters long. That's 15 to 18 feet. This length, plus the folds in the walls of the small intestine shown below, provides lots of surface area for nutrient absorption. Your blood transports these nutrients to different parts of your body, but at first it makes an important stop. All the blood that leaves your stomach and intestines goes directly to your liver before traveling through the rest of your body. This is because your liver performs two important functions related to digestion, besides producing bile. First, it breaks down toxins such as alcohol and some medicines. Your blood is later filtered by your kidneys, which excrete waste and some dissolved toxins as urines. Second, it produces nutrients into forms that are easier for the rest of the body to use. For example, your liver stores carbohydrates. When you suddenly need energy, it converts these carbohydrates to sugars that your body can use. Stop to think question number 3. Why does blood travel to your liver before transporting nutrients to other parts of your body? Pause the reading now and answer that question in your notebook. All right, let's continue. So here you see a cross section of the small intestines. Okay, so this picture here is taken out right here. It says nutrients are absorbed by the blood across the wall of the small intestines. Finger-like projections from the wall of the small intestines are known as villi. Nutrients must pass through the villi and the walls of the tiny blood vessels to enter the blood. So here you can see the villi, okay? And the network of blood vessels inside here, and here are muscle tissue. So these little folds here, found in the walls of the small intestines, are called villi. This is important. We will come back to this again, and you will need to know exactly how this works. Getting rid of solid waste. Any material that has not been absorbed by your small intestines continues to your large intestines, or colon. In your large intestines, large quantity of water and some remaining vitamins are absorbed into your blood. The remaining unabsorbed material forms a solid waste as it travels through the large intestines, a process that can take 18 to 24 hours. This solid waste is temporarily stored in the rectum before being pushed through the anus. What is the solid waste made of? It contains bacteria, substances that your body can digest, and some remaining water. Bacteria live and grow in your intestines, and they help you in several ways. They break down some plant material that your body can't break down on its own. They make vitamin K, and they help prevent harmful bacteria from finding a home. The trade-off for providing a home for these helpful bacteria is the gas and odors that they produce. Stop to think question number 4. The reading describes 3 components of human solid waste. Which 2 of these do you think are the main components? Stop. Answer this question now in your notebook. Okay, welcome back. You are at the end of the reading. All that you have left now are the analysis questions. Please answer these in your notebook. Have a great rest of your day.